welcome to today's edition of Youth Folio, a visual magazine series targeting the youth and young at heart from across the 8 states of the Northeast. Our first section is current events.
Assam celebrates Magh Bihu, Tripura celebrates Makar Sankranti. Manipur celebrates Imoinu Irapta and Gan Nai. People throng the 4th Assam International Agri-Horti Show 2017. Swami Vivekananda's 155th birth anniversary observed. Singer from Tripura performs in Delhi. Assam erupted with joy, basking in the celebrations of Magh Bihu recently, with the whole state reverberating with the tip-tap of dhekis as women pounded rice with community fervour and made pithas and other traditional delicacies. Magh Bihu, which is also called Bhogali, the Bihu or harvest festival of Bhog or eating, marks the time when granaries are full and people are happy. Fish plays an important role in this festival, with large quantities being sold, bought and consumed. The hay from the fields are used to prepare makeshift bhela ghors, where the whole community feasts and sings together in the night. In the morning, people pray to the fire god before the mejis are put on fire. The ashes from the mejis are scattered in the fields with the belief that it would yield good crops. Magh Bihu marks the end of the harvesting year. Assam's celebration of Magh Bihu coincides with Sankranti, Lohri and other joyous festivals in other parts of India, all of which see much feasting of sweets and burning of bonfires.
माघ बिहू क्या है मीन्स ये हम लोग का खाने का सीजन है. हम लोग का जो खेती बाड़ी होता है, खेती बाड़ी घर में आता है, इसीलिए चावल सीरा सब कुछ हम लोग का इधर पूरा हरा भरा रहता है, इसीलिए ये बिहू होता है. हम लोग खाना खाती हूँ, मछली वगैरह आज रात को हम लोग खाना खाएंगे, पिठा वगैरह बनाएंगे. सब लोग बहुत बिजी रहता है, सब लोग अच्छा से खाना खाते हैं.
माघ बिहू एक्चुअली आपका आसामीज में इसको भुगाली बिहू भी बोलते हैं, माघ बिहू भी बोलते हैं. इसमें क्या होता है आपका भूख का बिहू होता है, मतलब यहाँ पर खाना खाया जाता है, उत्सव होता है, एक साथ फैमिली के साथ मिल के हम लोग खाते हैं. ये टाइम पे आपका जो खेती होता है ये सब हार्वेस्ट होता है, तो काटते हैं फार्मर्स लोग, काट के हम लोग का यहाँ पर खाना खाना जाता है. उस मतलब विथ ए कम्युनिटी हम लोग ये खाना खाते हैं.
In Tripura's Lankamura, located in the India-Bangladesh border, for instance, the celebrations are taken to another level altogether, with every house, courtyard and veranda being decorated by ladies with rangoli, called alpona here, made primarily with rice powder paste. The white color of the rangoli here marks the rice, which is the essential part of harvest in the east and northeast of the country. The Lankamura ladies are famous for their alpona skills and compete with each other on the occasion. Here too, making of straw huts for burning, grinding of rice and pithe making are carried out en masse.
हमारा जो गांव है लंकामुरा, आप अगर कोई दूर पे भी चला जाए, अगर पूछेंगे तो कि मतलब लंकामुरा क्या है, तो वो लोग बता देंगे कि लंकामुरा का एक मतलब डिफरेंस एक है कि यहाँ पर बहुत सुंदर रंगोली बनते हैं. आप देख चुके होंगे, बहुत सारे घर पे रंगोली बनाए हैं, बहुत सारे कलर्स है, तो वो भी एक ट्रेडिशन है. जैसे बुरी घर जैसे है, इसमें मकर संक्रांति में वो भी एक ट्रेडिशन है. क्या होता है मकर संक्रांति की बात के दिन जो रंगोली बना हुआ है उसमें लोग आते हैं, कीर्तन वीर्तन करते हैं, उसमें से थोड़ा पूजा पाठ भी होता है. तो हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि गांव का एक अलग सी पहचान मिलता है हम लोगों को इस रंगोली, इस बुरी घर, इस सबसे.
ये सबके घर में होता है. लंकामुरा में सबके घर में होता है. ये एक कंपटीशन है किसके घर में कौन सुंदर बनाते हैं.
At around the same time when Assam celebrates Magh Bihu, The majority community of Manipur, the Meiteis, celebrate Imoinu Irapta or Puja of goddess Imoinu, the deity of wealth and prosperity, with prayers and rich offerings of vegetables, fruits, rice, grains, etc., beseeching the goddess to ensure that the state never faces shortages. According to Manipuri tradition, Imoinu Irapta ritual is performed at homes as well as in public places on the 12th of the Wakching month in Manipuri lunar calendar, which coincides with the first week of the year. Statues of goddess Imoinu and big caskets of grain are put up both at homes and at community halls, and women sing and dance to appease the goddess. In the nights, the whole valley of Manipur glitters with lights. This year is the 40th year of Imoinu celebrations.
I'm coming to attend this ritual ceremony of goddess Imoinu Iratpa, and this has been done by the LCP club since 40 years back, and today is the 40th celebration, and I'm very proud to be a Meitei who is celebrating this very traditional, keeping the rituals, keeping the culture of our Manipur, which has been there since time immemorial. And I would like to wish all the Kanglechas a very happy Imoinu, and may all the wealth be flourish upon your family, and have a prosperous Imoinu and a happy new year.
This is the 40th Imoinu festival being organized by this organization, and this year we have its theme as the reconciliation of indigenous peoples through culture. The underlying meaning of this theme is, in this turmoil society at present, we like to focus the women empowerment and the role of the women to bring peace and reconciliation in the society, so that a progressive and a peaceful society is established.
Shifting from the valley of Manipur, one can witness the Zeliangrong community of Manipur and many affiliated tribes like the Rongmeis and Kabuis celebrating the Gan Nai festival with a burst of songs and dances and beating of drums. In fact, entire streets are decorated with colored glittering strips of paper, and people of the communities, including men and women, young and old, dance with gaiety, wearing their colorful traditional clothes and horn-shaped headgears. Many traditional games are played as a community, which bring much joy. The ancient ritual of lighting fire in the traditional way is carried out. Here too, celebrations are carried out in the homes, community halls, streets, and in the state level.
Gangai celebration is not only for living also. Gangai celebration is for dead also. We believe we the Tingkargong Chabriek, which has been staying in Imphal, Manipur and Manipur, Nagaland and Assam, those who believe in this Tingkargong Chabriek, its indigenous religions, we believe that whoever had been died last year 2016, we believe that his soul or her soul present till the end of this Gangai. So the Gangai will be the last day, the last day where his or her soul will be departed. So we not only celebrate for living, we also celebrate for the dead also.
The 4th Assam International Agri-Horti Show 2017 was an interesting fair which brought in thronging crowds over the 4 days it was held between the 6th and 9th of January at Guwahati's College of Veterinary Science, Khanapara. Over 400 stalls, including displays and sales by both government departments and private organizations, as well as foreign countries, besides visits by dignitaries like Governor Banwarilal Purohit, ensured that the show got the prominence and footfall it deserved. In fact, almost every visitor to the fair could be seen leaving with bags full of plants, be it flowering plants, fruits or vegetables, or their saplings. Organized by Assam's Directorate of Horticulture and Food Processing, Department of Agriculture and the Assam Agricultural University with the support of the Indian Chambers of Commerce and the Assam Horticultural Society, the show aimed at helping local farmers with expertise and also promoting their produce. Other than plants and their produce, the show also included displays of mulberry and moga caterpillars and cocoons, poultry and spotted eggs, as well as agricultural machinery and tools. Visitors opined that such fairs were very beneficial.
आजकल तो लोग इतने हेल्थ कॉन्शियस हो गए हैं तो सब लोग तो ऑर्गेनिक ही प्रेफर करते हैं विदाउट एनी केमिकल्स और फर्टिलाइजर्स। तो अगर ये है तो लोगों के लिए ही अच्छा है, तो सब लोग प्रेफर करें। और जो लोग गांव से या रिमोट एरिया से लाए हैं वो तो इतना फर्टिलाइजर्स यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, अफोर्ड भी नहीं कर सकते।
बहुत अच्छा लगा, सब कुछ अच्छा ही था। बेसिकली रेट थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा था, लेकिन जो आपका पकड़ लीजिए नर्सरी सीड कॉर्पोरेशन वगैरह जो आए हैं उनका अच्छा था, रेट थोड़ा कम था। तो क्योंकि अभी देखिए जो लोग मिडिल क्लास के लोग आते हैं उनके लिए इतना हाई प्राइस में परचेस करना इट्स नॉट दैट पॉसिबल। तो जो सीड कॉर्पोरेशन वगैरह आए हुए हैं उनका अच्छा था।